Hello friends, welcome back to another solution video. In this video, I will be providing you the solution of Skill Boost Arcade Trivia February 2025 Week 1 final lab solution, and it would be a very easy lab. Simply open it and it would be a quiz type lab. Okay, you don't need to perform any task. You simply need to give the answer of this question. I already started the lab because in this lab there is a condition that you minimum spend 3 minutes in this lab, otherwise your lab would not be considered as the completed. So आपको इसमें minimum 3 minutes spend करने होते हैं. That's why I already started the lab, and so I will be providing you the direct answer. So answer for the first question is Cloud Data Loss Prevention API. Click on this and get the green tick. For the second one, it's G Suite LCP. For the third one, it's Internal Load Balancer. For the fourth question, it's G Cloud Compute Health Check Rate. For the fifth one, it's Cloud Data Loss Prevention DLP API. And for the last one, it's de-identification. Once you click on the submit button, you will get the green tick for all the questions and you are done with this lab. Simply now wait for the 3 minutes in this lab. Once 3 minutes are completed or spent, you can click on the end lab button. In that time, what you can do, go to the video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button so you won't be missing any upcoming video notification. Also, I already provide the solution of the previous lab of this trivia week 1, so you can access the solution from the link in the description box. आपको ये playlist मिल जाएगी. And now our 3 minutes are spent. We can click on the end lab button and click on the end lab button once again. Give the star rating that you want to give. Click on submit button and come back to main page to verify whether we actually get the green tick in the lab or not. So scroll down, open the module, and you will see that we get the green tick beside our lab. It means we successfully completed this lab. So if you like the video, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box on the WhatsApp group. Thank you very much. Goodbye.